Here's how to use AI to make money fast in your business. Look, you've obviously heard a lot about AI. Let's be honest, it's all the craze. But do you know the 5 top ways that you can use AI right now to make money in your business? Well, I'm about to break down all 5 of them for you right now. And I almost guarantee that you're going to get at least 1 or 2 exceptional ideas on how you can use AI to start making a lot of money very quick in your business. We got a lot to cover, so let's dive in. AI. Look, it's all the craze right now, and more than likely you've probably used it for things like content creation. But there's 5 specific ways that you can actually use AI to be able to rapidly make money in your business. So I want to dive into all 5 right now. So number 5 is actually using AI for the marketing purposes of your business. Now there's multiple different ways to do this. For example, AI can be used to actually create all of your emails. So one of our partners, Profit Lifter, does an exceptional job of this. They're actually using AI for their clients to create all of the email content for them. Now, AI is also being used to create landing page content, actual content for your website as well, and everything else you need for your marketing campaigns. In this category, you're also using AI for actual ads. That's right. AI can be used to actually create your ad copy for you, and the experts in the world are seeing that AI creates ads that are equal to, if not better, the best copywriters. So no longer a need to pay tens of thousands of dollars for a copywriter. You can actually use AI to write your ads, as well as your landing pages, your websites, even your email content for you. This exponentially decreases the time that you're going to spend launching the business to begin with. Look, one of the hardest things to launch a business is to be able to create lead magnets like free reports and guides, and the ads to run to push people to those, and the landing pages people go to, and the sales funnel content. AI can do all of that for you now within days, making it fast and easy for you to be able to launch. But again, we don't want to just talk about using AI for content. So how about you actually use AI to create services or additional products for your clients? Look, our clients are loving GPTs that we're creating for them right now. So for example, we have GPTs that help business owners actually know the kind of NIAX code or industry they're in. We have GPTs that help business owners understand the type of business credit they're actually able to get approved for. We even have GPTs that help our partners actually go through and have a sales dialogue with the AI where they can actually test them and their team's ability to actually sell business credit financing. Look, I can go on and on, but these GPTs we're creating have high value, and they can have high value for you as well. So by creating GPTs, which you could do very affordably on your own or hiring somebody on a place like Upwork or Fiverr, you're able to actually take these and use these as incentives to get people to buy, to be able to actually use them as bonuses, or to be able to sell them separately to your audience as upsells, downsells, or cross-sells. So now all of a sudden, with very little effort and time, you've now created another revenue stream in your business using these type of GPTs. But it doesn't stop there. In this category, we can also create chatbots. We can also create analytics. We can also create coaching and consulting on AI and prompting. Even a little research on your end to learn more about prompting gives you a huge advantage over people that don't understand how to put the prompts in to places like ChatGPT to get the result they want to get. So this whole category of additional ways you can use AI to sell as products, to sell as services, gives you another way to be able to make money in your business quickly using AI. All right, now let's talk about saving you money. And this is important because if we can use AI to save your money, to reduce your expenses, then you can take the money you save, reinvest it into growth, and then grow even faster. So you're able to use AI now for detailed analytics, for HR and employment type processes. You're even able to use it for automating customer service, even for creating chatbots. And the more of this you do, the less manpower you actually need. So now you can use AI for any of these things to reduce your expenses, take your savings, reinvest into growth, and grow even faster. And this brings me to number 2 on the list, which is you need to blow up as an influencer. Look, you've probably heard of Gary Vee before. He talks about this all the time. You should consistently be producing content. But let's be honest. If you're working in your business or on your business, you're probably dedicating a lot of time towards other tasks. So content creation is, well, let's just say a big problem. But now you can be everywhere using AI to be able to help you. You can use AI to create free ebooks, reports, and guides. You can use AI to actually create videos for you. So places like Hey Jen will actually let you use an AI avatar that you select to actually produce your video content for you. You could use AI to create a script, then plug it into Hey Jen, and all of a sudden you have an endless supply of videos that you're able to put on places like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and more that are all done using AI. You're also able to use it for SEO, to be able to rank better in local search and organic search as well. You're able to use it for blog creation to help you do so. And most importantly, you're able to use it to create PowerPoints, outlines, and everything else you need to do live streaming, webinars, and go live as much as you can with either short 1-minute video or less, or long 5, 10, 20-minute videos that are all done using AI-generated content, AI-generated ideas as well. Look, if you're short on ideas for social media content, type into GPT exactly what you want, and it will produce an entire year's worth of content ideas for you. Now you spend a matter of hours in one day, and you can easily produce 1, 2, or even multiple months beyond that of content that you're able to use to blow up across all the social media channels. And lastly, and number one, we are going to make more money from the customers we already have using AI. Look, 5% increase in retention equates to 25 to 100% increase in your profit. Most business owners are so obsessed with getting new customers in the door, they lose sight of the importance of keeping the customers they have. Even more important than that is monetization, is to be able to increase the lifetime value of the customers you have. Look, there's 3 ways you can mainly make money in your business. You can bring in new customers, you can get those customers to stay longer, or you can sell more stuff, more things to the customers you already have. AI is a great way to determine what else you should sell your customer. If you're going into a service like GPT, you can type in all the details about your business. Once the actual AI becomes familiar with your business, it's easy for you to say, I need some good ideas for upsells, downsells, and cross-sells for my customers. Now, through affiliate relationships, by creating some of your own products, through partnerships, there's a lot of different suggestions you may get that will actually help you increase the lifetime value of your customer at no cost. So we're not even increasing the cost to acquire a customer and still making considerably more in our business just by knowing what we can upsell, what we can downsell, and what we can cross-sell. Look, when customers find a company and a person they can trust, they don't want to look anywhere else. They want everything you can help them with. So by offering more products and more services to those customers, they're happy, it satisfies their needs, and you increase your revenue. And AI can give you all the ideas and the suggestions to make that happen. So there you have it. There's 5 different ways that you can use AI to make money quickly in your business. Any one of these can actually create exponential increase in your revenue and your profit this year. Hey, did you get value from this training? If so, make sure you like and subscribe, and keep your eye on our next training where we talk about more cool ways to grow your business and to be able to get the capital you need to be able to thrive.